Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of engine block in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here, go to 2D Sketch and select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate the view. Now go to Rectangle command, take a 2-point center rectangle, select the center point and make a rectangle profile. Now go to Dimension. The width here will be of 190 mm and the height will be of 96 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Now here go to extrude command. Here we are going to take extrude downside. So from here we will take direction 2 and press OK. So this will be the top face. Okay, now select this bottom face. Go to create sketch. Now we are going to construct the body. So go to rectangle command once again. Select 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point. Make rectangle profile. Now go to dimension. The height here will be 86. Okay, escape. Now drag this inside, go to dimension, and from outside this will be a distance of 5 mm. Okay, now go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 90 mm and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now go to this part. So we have constructed this flange profile, the top flange, and this profile. Okay, now as you can see, this is a hollow profile and there is a cutout here at bottom. Go to front view. So there is a cutout at bottom. So we are going to construct first the cutout. Okay, go to home. Select this part. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Now here take the rectangle command. Select 2-point center rectangle. Okay, we are taking here 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. The height here will be of 5 mm and the width will be 150. Okay, now go to vertical constraint. Select the center point and select the center point of this rectangle. Go to 3D model, take extrude and here take cut, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Okay, here you can see, press OK. You can see the through cut. Now rotate this profile. Now here we want to give the fillet. Select this edge, go to fillet, take here a radius of 4 mm, rotate the profile, and this side also select this edge and press OK. Okay, now here select this face and first make a home view. Now we are going to make this profile a hollow profile. So select this top face, go to create sketch, take the rectangle command, take 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, make rectangle profile, go to dimension. Width here will be 166 mm and the height here will be of 66 mm. Okay, now go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take the cut profile. So click on cut and take a depth here of 87 mm and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to construct this front face. Okay, so from here we are going to take 2-point rectangle, select this edge, make a rectangle profile, go to dimension. Here from this bottom edge, this will be at a distance of 12 mm and from side this will be 18 and this side also dimension as 18. Okay, now go to fillet command, take a fillet radius of 50, select this edge and select here this edge, exit. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, here select this profile, we are going to extrude it outside by 3 mm. Here we are going to take join and press OK. Okay. Now select this corner edge, take fillet. Here we are going to take fillet of 4, or you can take here fillet of 2 and press OK. A little bit face will be left of 1 mm. Okay. Now we are going to construct this whole profile. Okay. Select this face, go to create sketch. Now here take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 60. Okay. Press enter and make one more circle here of diameter 60. Take the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now here go to dimension. The center to center distance between both these circles will be 64 mm. Now we are going to construct a center line. Go to line command. From this center point, make here a straight vertical line. Escape. So this will be considered as the center line. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Go to dimension. So this will be at half of the distance of 64. So here take 64 by 2. So this will be half. Okay. Now here escape. Now here the vertical distance is left. So for the vertical distance, go to dimension. Select this bottom edge. Select this center point. And here define this distance as 58 mm. Okay. Go to 3D model. Take extrude. So this extrude is little bit inside. So we are selecting both circles. Here flip the direction. Go back to join. And here take a extrude of 18 mm. Rotate the profile. Here you can see the profile inside and press OK. Okay. Now here we have the whole profiles also. So for whole profiles, select this face, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. Now here you can see these inner holes or circles you can say. Go to sketch, take this circle and here from this center point make a circle of diameter 44 and on this 44 dia circle make a circle of diameter 10. Now escape, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Escape, select this circle profile, make it construction, select this profile, make it construction. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis and select here. Here the count will be of 4 and press OK. Okay. Now I have to make a pattern this side also. First make a center circle also. Go to circle command and from this center point make a circle of diameter 28. Okay. And escape. Now I want to mirror this complete file this on this here. Go to line, make a center line over here. Escape. Select this line, make it construction geometry. Go to mirror command and mirror this complete profile. Select all the 4 circles and this in center hole. Select this mirror plane, apply and done. Okay. Now finish. Go to extrude. Select this complete profile. Go to cut and here we are going to take a 18 mm cut and press OK. Escape. Now go to view, visual style and change it to shaded with edges. Now we want to mirror this complete profile to this face. Okay. So here go to mirror command and select extrude 5, extrude 6 and extrude 7. Go to mirror plane and select the XY plane. Rotate the view and press OK. Here you can see the complete profile. The fillet profile is left. So here go to fillet, select this edge and take a radius of 2 mm and press OK. Okay. Now we are going to work with this top face. Okay. So here this top face is left and this mounting profile is left. Okay, select this top face, go to create sketch, and here take the arc command and select center point arc. Select here this center point, select this edge and select this edge. Go to dimension, define here the radius of 10 mm. Go to the line command, join this profile to make it a closed geometry. Okay, escape, and here go to 3D model, take extrude, and here reverse the direction and take a dimension here of 14 mm and press OK. Okay, so this is a joining profile. Now here I want to pattern this complete profile on all the 4 edges. First we are going to make a whole profile also. Here you can see a whole profile. So select this top face again, go to create sketch, take circle command and the center point, make a circle of diameter 10. Go to 3D model, take extrude, go to cut, take a depth of 14 and press OK. Okay. Now we will mirror this on all the 4 edges. Go to mirror, select this cut and this extrude 8. Go to mirror plane, select the XY. Okay. Now go to mirror again, select extrude 8, 9 and mirror 2. Go to mirror plane and this time select the YZ plane. Press OK. Okay. Now here, now we are going to make the mounting profile, the bottom profile. So this profile we are going to make now. Okay. Rotate the complete solid. Select this bottom face. Go to create sketch. Here go to line command. From this corner edge, make one line here and one joining line here and one here. Now escape. Okay. Go to fillet. Take here a radius of 18. Select this and select this. Escape. Okay. Now here we are going to give the dimensions now. Go to dimension. The center point of this, from the center point of this complete profile will be at a distance of 114 mm. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this center point and select this center point. Okay. Select this again and select this. Escape. Now here you can see this is in a moving form. Go to coincident, select this corner edge and select this point. Now this is fully defined. Escape. Now I want to mirror this profile this side. Go to line, make a center line over here. Okay. Escape. Select this, make it construction. Now go to mirror, select this profile, this complete profile. Go to mirror line and select this center line. Click on apply and done. Okay. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles, go to home and here flip the direction and it will be 14 mm distance and press OK. Okay. Now here we are going to give the mounting hole. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to point command and here select this center point and select this center point. Finish. Take the hole command. Here we are going to take the counter bore. Select this counter bore and here select tap hole. Okay. So it will ask you the standard. I'll take isometric profile. Size will be 16 mm and this will be the thread size. It will be M16 into 2 class 6H and here the dimension of the counter bore hole will be 24 mm and the depth will be 5 mm. Okay, and this complete depth will be 32. Press OK. So both the sides, this whole profile will be made. Okay, automatically software will detect where the hole will be. Okay, now we are going to give the fillets. So go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 10 mm, go to edge selection, select this outer edge, this edge, this and this, apply. Now take a radius of 4 mm, go to edge selection, and here select this corner, this edge, this, okay, rotate this bottom edge, now rotate, now select this edge, this and this, and select this. Okay, so there's some error, so unselect this, apply, now select this. Okay, it is not taking, okay, no issue. Now rotate the profile. Okay, so we are left with this inner edge. Okay, here we have given. Double click the fillet 5, rotate, select this edge, rotate, and now select this. Okay, now it is taking, and press OK. Now here you can see at joints this is a perfect fillet. Okay, so this was a tutorial. Now you can define the appearance to blue, or you can take cyan. You can take any color as you wish. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a engine block or a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.